I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Memorial Day weekend. Before I get started, just a reminder, I mentioned this the other day. Over Memorial Day weekend, we're going to be having a 25% discount offering for all of the educational products that I've presented here over the past several years. I very, very rarely offer these for sale at a discount because I think they're more than fairly valued as it is right now. But I want you to take advantage of that if you're interested in learning more about day trading or shorting stocks or just generally how to trade. There's a lot of stuff there for you, and that sale will include trial members. So if you're not a member but you're interested in some of these products, then just go ahead, hoodwink me. Sign up for a risk-free 30-day trial, get what you want, and then if you like Stock Market Mentor, please stick around, and if you don't, that's okay. I don't take it personal. So anyway, let's move on here. Solar City. I want you to be careful of this stock. Solar stocks have been on fire lately, pardon the pun, but they've really been rocking. Solar City's been one of the big ones. It just was started trading back here in December of 2012, and so here's what I want you to understand. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll see Bollinger Bands start forming at 20 weeks because they're standard deviations above and below the 20 period here weekly, the 20-week moving average. They're supposed to contain like 90% of all closing prices. Well, that's a statistical thing. So ever since these things were born, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row, Solar City's closed outside the upper Bollinger Band. That's like the definition of a strong stock. Well, here, this last week, the entire trading range was outside the upper band. Look at the volume here. Really big volume over the last couple weeks. So there's clearly a lot of activity, and it's all aggressive buying. So with that said, now we have to look at the volatility. I mean, this has become almost violent. 20% swings in this stock from top to bottom, over 20%. And so I think this stock is in trouble if you are long. I think you want to be really considering closing out your longs. I wouldn't be shorting this stock yet, but I do think that this is setting up to be a pretty nice short, and here's why. Within the next 3 weeks, remember, this just started trading back here. There are like 60 million shares that are restricted. Can't trade them. Folks that own them, owned them from down here, possibly a lot lower depending on, how they got those shares. They're not able to sell those now, but in the next 3 weeks, they will be able to sell them. And so the dynamics of a short squeeze are that those shorts need to cover their stocks, or they need to cover their positions, and they can't find enough shares. There's just not enough liquidity, so they have to keep paying higher and higher prices. That drives the stock up, and as the stock moves up, then it also attracts natural buyers, those traders that are on the sidelines, and they see this stock moving, and they say, I want to be a part of that. I want to get in on that. That pushes the demand up even more. It just becomes like this whirling dervish of buying, like a feeding frenzy. Ultimately, though, you can see what's happening here. And so I want you to be careful of this and watch for the short. At some point, and this may very well turn out to have been the top right here, or it may not. Don't get in front of this. Don't get in front of this and try to short the stock now. It may very well turn out, but that's really the higher risk trade. The lower risk trade is to stand by and watch this. Watch for the turn. This is so far extended above the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. It's so far extended that when this thing turns, there'll be plenty of time to short stocks. Just watch for it, wait for it, and my bet is you're going to have a good trade out of this. So anyway, okay, members, I've got a couple videos for you. We're going to be looking at some cyclical stocks and also comparing that to some of the higher interest stocks, and watch for the money rotation that's happening. So I want to keep us ahead of the curve here, or at least not too far behind, so we can start making money through the summer.